Welcome to a minute of wellness wisdom. Today, meet the Fantastic Four: chia seeds, cinnamon, honey, and lemon. Ever wondered how these could work towards a flat stomach? Let's unravel the secret. Chia seeds, packed with fiber, keep you fuller for longer, reducing unnecessary snacking. Cinnamon, a wonder spice, boosts your metabolism, helping your body burn calories more efficiently. Honey, a healthier sweetener, keeps your sugar cravings at bay. And lemon, a vitamin C powerhouse, aids digestion, flushing out toxins. Mix a teaspoon of chia seeds and a pinch of cinnamon in a glass of warm water. Stir in a spoonful of honey and a squeeze of lemon. Voila, a delicious, healthy drink. Remember, consistency is key. Enjoy this elixir daily and say hello to a healthier, flatter stomach. Remember, a balanced diet and regular exercise are irreplaceable. This has been your Minute of Wellness Wisdom. Stay tuned for more.